Okay, so the next exercise is regarding third law. Here that is not much is not there, everything is theory part only. State Newton's third law of motion. State. Shreya, state. Okay. Next, a book is lying on table. Name the forces acting on the book. How is balanced? How it is balanced according to Newton's third law of motion? Gravity is the action force. What is the reaction force? Against the gravity, which is imparted by the what? Table. Diagram देखो. FBA, FAB, FBA. FAB is weight due to gravity. FBA will become reaction force. Normal reaction. N. Next, explain the following giving suitable reasons. A. When a shot is fired from a gun, the gun recoils. Gun is recoiling. Law of conservation. Third law. Fired, gun is going that side, reaction force is coming in the opposite side, that is recoil of the gun. Law of conservation of momentum का application है वो भी. हाँ, see there. B. A runner presses the ground with his feet before he starts to run. Is like this. It touches the feet to the ground. Why? To take the pressure jerk, to make his motion very faster and quicker. Extra force. ఇది నీ బెండ్ చేసినందువల్ల ఏమవుతుంది అంటే రియాక్షన్ ఫోర్స్. నో సి, దట్స్ వై ఐ టోల్డ్ దట్ పుషింగ్ ఈజ్ పుల్లింగ్ బెటర్ దన్ పుల్లింగ్. ఐ టోల్డ్ వన్ డే నా రియాక్షన్ pulling is better than pushing. Correct. That I told f sin theta, f cos theta, one reactions, forces, we have do resolution of force and do it for a lawn mower. We did for a lawn mower. Similarly, what I am doing is telling is, if this is the ground and if an athlete is standing like this, from this portion he is taking the reaction like this, this angle will be like this. Now when he is bent like this and starting, what will happen is reaction force will be like this, right? Okay, therefore the reaction force more towards this is theta, cos theta of this side is cos theta, that side will be sin theta, right? So this type of f cos theta will be more. That means more the reaction is towards the ground, more the resolution towards the forward. That's why more the he is bent, more quick he is going to push forward. That's why they are taking this. Ante. If a man jumps out from a boat, the boat moves backward. This is a textbook one. There is a lot of theory there. He will push that backward. He will push the another one towards the opposite side, opposite to the harbor, when he is jumping into the boat, right? That is the theory. You will write it easily. Next, ఇప్పుడే start. Next, we feel pain in the hand when we hammer a nail into a wooden plank. This is the wooden plank. Okay, we need to hammer the nail into the wooden plank with the help of a wooden hammer. We are using a wooden hammer. So what he is asking, we feel pain in the hand when we hammer a nail into a wooden plank. We are holding the nail now, we feel pain in the hand. Why? పట్టుకునేటప్పుడు హోల్డ్ చేసిందని పట్టుకునేది మనం పట్టుకుంటాం కదా, నెయిల్ని పట్టుకుంటాం కదా, నెయిల్ ఎందుకు మనకి పెయిన్ ఇస్తుంది? వై? Yes. That vibration. That only vibration. Why? When you are applying force onto the nail, it is creating a reaction force which is coming from the side of the wall. The wall reaction will be imparted onto the your hand. You are getting? That's it. State the law of conservation of momentum. पढ़ लो. Okay. Total initial momentum equal to total final momentum. That means the total momentum carried by a body during its journey is conserved. It's constant. That's it. Okay. Next, if a man jumps out of a boat, the boat moves A forward, B sideways, C backwards, D downwards. If a man jumps out from a boat, see this. Where is that tab? Okay, 5 minutes. We'll finish off. Shalim means we'll bring ఒకసారి tab పట్టుకురా. Tab. What will happen? The boat will move from what he is doing. He is jumping from. He is jumping out from a boat. When he is jumping out from a boat to harbor, he will push the boat backwards. Ante, that is the answer. Next one. What happened?
While flying, the birds push the air
downwards. Then then they will rise up. Next. Rockets work on the principle of third law of motion. Next, action and reaction act on same body in opposite directions. Correct. Next, fifth one. If an action is of 10 Newton, then the reaction will be of in the opposite direction. Next. Why? Because it needs to impart more amount of pressure. That's why hot jet gases are being removed during takeoff more than that of flight. Okay. Next, B. A swimmer pushes water backwards while swimming. I already many a times we have done that. Okay, that example. Inertia also we did that example only. That only. Third law. Action reaction. Already I draw that. वो draw बनाया ना देखो. I draw nicely. Okay, calculate the recoil velocity of a 4 kg gun which shoots a 0.05 kg bullet with a speed of 280 meter per second. Now tell. Cheppandi. Recoil velocity of a 4 kg gun. How to do? Always we have to use the numerical of law of conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum. So problem number 6. Okay, 7. What is the mass? Mass of the gun? 0.05 kg. Okay, what about the mass of the bullet? Mass of the bullet?
4 kg gun.
That's why Sharon सोचती नहीं है. Next, what is the velocity of the bullet with which it leaves?
Speed,
Ah,
280 feet per second.
why you are laughing? Why you are laughing? What is law of conservation of momentum? See, this is m1, this is m2. Let us take this capital M as m2. So our law of conservation of momentum states that m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Now you have for u1 v1, 1 represents bullet. So u1 initial velocity of the bullet is 0. u2 equal to velocity of bullet. Next, v1 equal to 0. See, u1 equal to 0. The gun is at rest. u2 you have to find out with what is the recoil velocity. u2 అనేది ఎప్పుడు recoil velocity గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు u2 అనేది u2 అంటే v2 v2 is always recoil. v2 is always recoil. Remember this. u1 కరెక్టే కదా, ఇవన్నీ 1 కి ఇవన్నీ 2 కి. I did mistake, written wrong on the board. So okay, u1 v1, u2 v2. So u1 0, u2 0. Therefore these side will become 0. Initial velocities are not there. In collisions only initial velocities will be there. Other than collisions means what? Two are moving, then only initial will be there. Otherwise gun firing, rocket launching, always starting from rest. Therefore this will be 0. So now what are left? This one. So m1 v1 equal to minus m2 v2. Clear? So what is m1? Mass of bullet. Mass of bullet is small m. v1, what is v1? Velocity of bullet. Mass of bullet into velocity of bullet. Mass of gun minus mass of gun capital M and recoil velocity, v recoil. So v0 recoil velocity, which is equal to mass of the bullet into velocity of the bullet divided by mass of the gun minus. What is minus 0.05 into velocity of the bullet is equal to 280 divided by 4 kg. 70. 7 5 35. Okay, 0. 1 0 you should keep it here. So you have 2 points, so 3.5. So 3.5 meter per second is the recoil velocity of the gun, minus 3.5. Correct answer? Saw the answer? Correct answer no? Minus 3.5. Done. That's something about this one. Next we are left with home assignment. No? So that also will finish and we will close the session for today. That also. Home assignment, write an experiment to verify Newton's third law of motion. Lot of examples are there. Any example, ball hitting towards the ground, gun, many are there, you can write any one. Explain the following giving suitable reasons. A fireman holds the hose pipe very tightly when he directs a powerful stream of water on fire. Why? Because you see in movies, especially Son of Satyamurthy movie in Telugu, he will use that to fire that one, and he will use to scare away the enemies. Why? Because that force, the jet force will be very high from the fire engine. Water jet mist for very high speed water will come, and that too you should hold it very tightly. 2-3 members should hold it, otherwise it will go backward also because of that much force. कभी देखा होगा ना, बहुत जल्दी बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट पढ़ना तो उसको पकड़ नहीं सकते, उसको अच्छे जल्दी से ज्यादा जोर से पकड़ना है. Okay, that's what you need to explain. We press the ground while walking. This already I have given example. A rubber ball rebounds when struck against a hard floor. This also we know. Next, third question. Discuss the conservation of momentum in each of the following case. Recoil of the gun when fired. So this expression you will derive. Recoil of the gun till here. Launching of rocket from the ground. That also you derive. Launching of rocket. You have to take velocity of gas. In the nothing. In the place of bullet. In the place of bullet, you will take velocity of gases. In the place of gun, you will take the velocity of rocket. Propelling velocity, that is called propellant velocity. Propelling velocity, propellant velocity. Propellant is that gas that is used for movement, okay, and propelling is the object, rocket. Velocity of rocket, velocity of propulsion, that is called propulsion. Velocity of propulsion. Okay, when something is burnt with the gas and due to that it is moving, it is always known as propulsion. Okay, that's it. So now we are left with 3 problems. These 3 problems will finish and we'll close the session. Jaldi. A bullet of mass 10 grams moves with a velocity of 400 meter per second, gets embedded in a freely suspended wooden block of mass 900 grams. What is the velocity acquired by the block? Now here the situation is different. Why it is different also I will explain. थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना है हर जगह. Physics is the application of mind. That's it. You have written this. Here initial velocity will come.
బ్లాక్ ఎంత మూవ్ అయింది అనేది
చూడాలి. Here not about gun. Here it is about block. So we have the problem number 4, which is stating that the mass of the bullet is 10 grams. It is striking a with u initial velocity of 400 meter per second, and it is hitting a wooden block. Freely suspended wooden block of mass of the block is 900 grams, which is 0.9. This is 0.01 kg. What is the velocity acquired by the block? Velocity 0 అయిపోతుంది for bullet. For initial velocity of the block 0 ఉంటుంది. Final velocity of the block BL కొడుతున్నాను. ఓకే, BL ఇది కనుక్కోవాలి. ఎప్పుడు V2 కనుక్కోవాలి, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఇలా రాసుకోండి, బెటర్గా ఉంటుంది. సో నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ M1 MB UB plus MB1 UB1 equal to M2 is MB VB plus MB1 VB1. Clear? This is the formula. So now what is 0? VB का 0 है. VB कहाँ है? ये 0 है. What is UB1? UB1 is 0 here. So what is left? MB UB equal to MB1 VB1. VB1 is required one. MB1 is what? 10 grams. So 0.01 into UB. UB is 400 equal to MB1. MB1 is equal to 0.9 into VB1. Here it is coming positive. In recoil it is negative. That means the direction of gun is opposite to the direction of bullet. But here the direction of bullet and direction of wooden block is same. It is hitting and penetrating inside, not coming back. So VB1 which is equal to 4 by 400 into 0.1 is 4, okay, by 0.9, which is 4 by 9, 40 by 9. इसका आंसर कितना है? 9 4 36. 4 by 9, 4 by 9 meter per second. 4/9 meter per second. This you can write it as 4.44 meter per second. 4/9 అంతే కదా. Next problem. A hunter fires a bullet of mass 10 grams with a velocity of 400 meters from a gun of mass 5 kg. What will be the recoil velocity? Recoil velocity के लिए formula भी याद रख लो. Recoil velocity of the gun, V recoil equal to minus of mass of the bullet into velocity of the bullet by mass of the gun. Right? So what is the mass of the bullet? 10 grams. What is the velocity of the bullet? 400 meter per second. What is the mass of the gun? 5 kgs. So it will be written as minus 10 into 400 into 10 power minus 3. 1000 करना है ना. Short form I am using, that's it. 5 kgs. Minus 4/5 is minus 0.8 Newton. See, అంతేనండి, ప్రతి రీకాయిల్ కి అదే ఫార్ములా. గన్ అయితే అదే ఫార్ములా, గన్ కి అది ఫార్ములా. గన్ రీకాయిల్ వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ది గన్ కి మాక్సిమం కండిషన్స్ అవే వస్తాయి, ఇవే వస్తాయి. రీకాయిల్ ఆఫ్ ది గన్ ఫార్ములా ఈస్ దిస్ వన్, we have derived earlier in the previous problem. Remember that. Okay, now let's come to the last problem. With this we will finish off. It's already 7:40. You have to close the session as quickly as possible. Time అనేది యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకున్నారు అనేది కదా చెప్పేది విషయం. You are getting time from April day 1. There is nothing called as no day is not available, it's not there na. Then why there is a need for decrease of syllabus? Really, if areas of parallelogram, surface areas and volumes, and this Heron's formulas and this theorems and all, many you have left. Inequalities you left na, those inequalities, there is one complete lesson in 10th class. Why they removed, I don't know. Madam, circles
10.5 and 10.6
removed. Law of chords are most important. Circles, tangents will be very important in 10th class. Now what we can also do?
So students are now in 10th class, they are in
No.
them also.
See, we can't help. And if they don't learn trigonometry well, they are under loss. I taught for trigonometry. All we should touch it. That is must and should. So our main almost 60 marks is not less in NEET. 60 మార్కులతో చాలా మారిపోతాయండి జీవితాలు, మారిపోతాయి. 60 మార్క్స్ అంటే నాట్ లెస్. Out of 240, 60 if you lose, how much remaining? 180 only marks you will write paper out of 180 only. If physics and maths, if physics and chemistry, if you don't give concentration, and 180 marks, that's out of that also if you score, you'll not be able to score good marks na. 180 तो नहीं आ जाएगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 150 आएगा. Okay, to get in good NEET rank, you should cross at least 180 marks. See, at least 180 marks you should cross to become to get a MBBS seat. Otherwise, sorry, no chance. अब कॉम्पिटिटिव ऐसे बन गया, हम कर भी क्या सकते हैं, वो तो दिस नॉट माई फॉल्ट ना, और योर ఫాల్ట్. ఏం చేస్తాం, మీ ఫాల్ట్ కాదు మా ఫాల్ట్ కాదు, ఎవడు చేయలేము, అది గవర్నమెంట్ ఇచ్చిన రెగ్యులేషన్. ఓకే, లెట్ us do the last problem and close the session. An object of mass 2 kg traveling along a straight line with a velocity of 5 meter per second collides with and sticks to stationary wooden block of mass 8 kgs. So a body of mass 2 kg is traveling along a straight line with velocity of 5 meter per second, collides with and sticks to a wooden block of mass 8 kgs. Then both travel, then they both move off together in the straight line. Calculate the total momentum just before the impact and just after the impact. Also calculate the velocity of the combined object. Okay, this is something tricky. This is a part of elastic collisions. Now this part is asked means no, we don't have an objection that I need to tell this part. Now what is happening is, let us take two balls are there. This ball A, ball B. The ball A is moving, ball B is moving. Now what is happening is, ball A velocity is more, and finally ball A hit the ball B here. Now what will happen? These two will travel with that velocity for some time. Both are traveling with some velocity told. Otherwise one will be taking rest. But both are traveling with combined motion. So apply law of conservation of motion. Law of conservation of motion. Oh, sorry, momentum. So now what is happening here? U2 is equal to 0. 0 ne kada? Yeah, it is 0. Sticks to stationary wooden block. Wooden block is stationary. Now V2, ఎవరు చెప్పారు V2? V2 is equal to velocity V, and here V2 is also velocity V. Both are having common velocity. This condition doesn't exist. One time, so after hitting this energy given to it, it stops. But in elastic case, it is taking, both are taking same equal velocities. Velocity दोनों का V है. Now law of conservation m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. So now m1 is 2 into u1 is 5 plus m2 is 8 into u2 0, u2 0, so this is 0. No need of putting this term. Final velocity both are same, so it you can take m1 v plus m2 v. So you can take it as m1 plus m2 into v. So this is 10. V equal to 10 by m1 plus m2. So 10 by m1 plus m2 is how much? 2 plus 8. So 10 by 10. So which is equal to 1 meter per second. That is the answer. See, application increasing, order of complexity increases. You should understand the term. It's recording. So that's all with today's problems. Now we have to wind up the session. Already it's 7:52. So our session closes now. That's all with the problems. Okay, thank you.